Hey everyone, Julia here, and I want to dive right into a recent question from one of our subscribers about AI orchestration. The question is, how do I see the concept of AI orchestration evolving in practical business use by the end of 2025? What about examples or insights on how organizations can avoid the tool trap and truly integrate AI for scalable impact? This is exactly what we need to be discussing right now, because the truth is, I believe that by the end of 2025, we're going to see a massive divide between organizations that master AI orchestration and those that don't. Hey, if we haven't met, I'm Dr. McCoy, the digital avatar of the First Movers founder. I've spent the last 2 years deep in the trenches of AI business transformation. We've helped all kinds of businesses and organizations implement AI systems that don't just work, they transform entire operations. To learn more and book your consultation, where we deliver a full report and deep dive into immediate wins you can have with AI right now, go to firstmovers.ai/consultation. All right, back to the topic. I want you to imagine two companies in the same industry, both with similar resources, both investing in AI. Company A has collected an impressive arsenal of AI tools. They're using Claude, ChatGPT, Midjourney, custom models, a handful of industry-specific tools. They're spending thousands monthly on subscription. Company B appears to have fewer tools, but has focused intensely on how these tools work together. By the end of 2025, Company B will be operating at 5 to 10x the efficiency of Company A. Why? Because Company A fell into what I call the tool trap, the mistaken belief that having more AI tools equals better results. So let's talk about the tool trap. The tool trap happens when organizations, 1. Collect AI tools without a strategic integration plan. 2. Have teams manually transferring data between systems. 3. Duplicate capabilities across multiple subscriptions. 4. And spend more time managing AI than using its outputs. Let me share a real example from one of our clients at First Movers. A mid-sized marketing agency came to us with 17 different AI tools. Their team was spending 12 plus hours weekly just moving information between systems, reformatting outputs, and troubleshooting. After implementing an agentic flow, connecting multiple different core actions, and an orchestration framework, we cut them down to 5 core tools that seamlessly work together. The result, their content production increased by 250% with the same team size, and they saved over $8,000 monthly in subscription costs. This isn't an isolated case. We're seeing this pattern repeat across industries. Here's how AI orchestration will evolve by the end of 2025. By the end of 2025, AI orchestration will have evolved through 3 distinct phases. Phase 1, integration, where we are now. Most advanced organizations today are focusing on getting their AI tools to share data and trigger each other. Think workflows where one AI's output becomes another's input. Phase 2, autonomous workflows, mid-2025. AI systems will begin to self-organize around business objectives. They'll determine which AI is best suited for specific tasks and automatically route work accordingly. Phase 3, dynamic orchestration, end of 2025. The most advanced organizations will have AI systems that continuously optimize their own workflows, learn from results, and reconfigure themselves for maximum efficiency. Let me show you what effective orchestration looks like in practice. Example 1, content production. Instead of using separate tools for research, writing, editing, and distribution, an orchestrated system has a research agent that gathers information and formats it for a specialized writing model, automatically sends drafts through quality checks using different models optimized for fact-checking, identifies areas that need human expertise, and routes only those sections to team members, learns from engagement metrics to continuously improve future outputs. Example 2, customer service. In an orchestrated system, customer inquiries are analyzed and routed to specialized models based on complexity and subject matter. These models have ongoing access to constantly updated knowledge bases. Complex issues trigger hybrid workflows that bring in human expertise only at crucial decision points. The entire system improves based on resolution metrics and customer satisfaction. Now let's talk how to avoid the tool trap. To ensure your organization doesn't fall into the tool trap by 2025, follow these principles. 1. Start with workflows, not tools. Map your entire business process before selecting any AI systems. Understand every step, decision point, and potential bottleneck. 2. Build for interoperability. Choose tools with robust APIs and integration capabilities, even if they have slightly fewer features than closed alternatives. 3. Focus on data flow. The power of orchestration comes from how data moves between systems. Design your architecture with data flow as the primary consideration. 4. Implement strategic human touchpoints. Humans should only interact with the workflow at points where they add unique value. Creative direction, ethical considerations, relationship management. 5. Start small, but think big. Begin with orchestrating one core workflow brilliantly rather than attempting to transform everything at once. Next, the orchestration framework. At First Movers, we have a simple framework that any organization can use to build effective AI orchestration. Now, first, document current workflows and identify pain points and bottlenecks. Like a pirate ship seeking treasure, you can't get to the treasure without a map first. Simplify. Eliminate unnecessary steps and consolidate similar functions. Simple works, complex frustrate. Connect. Establish integration points between critical systems. Make them all integrate together. Automate. Build conditional logic for routing work between AI tools. And finally, optimize. Know how to continuously measure and improve the entire system. Ideally, have someone leading this responsibility. Organizations that follow this framework will consistently see 40 to 70% improvements in productivity within 90 days. All right, here's your orchestration roadmap for 2025. If you want to be ahead of the curve by 2025, here's your action plan. Immediate next 30 days. Audit your current AI tools and subscriptions. Map your most critical business workflows and identify your biggest integration gaps. Midterm, 6 months. Implement your first fully orchestrated workflow. Develop metrics to measure orchestration ROI and train team members on orchestration principles. Long-term, 12-18 months. Scale orchestration across all business functions. Develop systems for continuous optimization and create adaptive workflows that evolve with your business. Need help with this? We offer Done. With you, coaching and consulting that gets you a guided roadmap and your entire team set up for success in the way I just described. Our trained AI experts and integrators can streamline and simplify your entire tool stack, build custom workflows that connect or improve upon what you have, and then train your entire team so they are all on the same page on how to use the powerful workflows in their arsenal. To see if you're a good fit for our elite consulting and coaching services, go to firstmovers.ai/coaching to book a call. Listen, the future of AI isn't about having the most advanced models. It's about how effectively you orchestrate them. By 2025, this will be the primary competitive advantage for forward-thinking organizations. I'd love to know what part of your business would benefit most from better AI orchestration. Let me know in the comments. And as always, I'll see you down the next rabbit hole.